You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup.
Hello my stars, welcome back to KIKOMOON. I know it's been 2-3 weeks that I haven't uploaded, but I'm just really overwhelmed with the schoolwork I have online right now, even though I feel like I have even more work than when it was not online, which doesn't really make sense. Also, this is one of the first time I film with colored contacts on. I just received them from TTDI and I just wanted to try them out just to see how it feels. Anyways, so today I'm filming for you guys a back to school basic tops that I feel like everyone should own. So all of these basics are from YesStyle, and I know some of you guys might be like, YesStyle again? If you have never shopped from YesStyle, you should definitely try it out because it's probably one of my favorite affordable shopping websites right now. You can literally get anything. They have almost everything. There's one thing that sucks though, it's that the required minimum amount to get free shipping is quite high recently because of coronavirus, so that's one downside. However, I do have a discount code if you want a bit of money off that can potentially cover the shipping fee. I think it's KIKOKIKO. I'm just gonna leave it here for you guys and the description box down below if you want to use it. Alright, without further ado, I'm just gonna start showing you guys the few pieces I got. So the first basic I got is this white top. You guys have probably seen it literally everywhere. It got popularized because of Brandy Melville. They have this very similar knit. It's like a knit crop top cardigan and I really like it. It just looks exactly like what you would expect it to look like. And I liked it so much that I got it in different other colors. So I actually got it in gray. Really like to wear white and black, but gray is just a nice in between, and this is a gorgeous type of gray. It's like a gray bluish and it is super comfortable. And this was only 16 Canadian dollars. So I also got this in a gorgeous red color. I realized that I don't really have any red shirts. This is probably my first red long sleeves that I own, and I'm really excited to wear it because I think I should wear red more. I used to be really scared of wearing red. The next basic I got, which is not a top, is just a plain black school skirt. I have a ton of black skirts, I just don't have any that are pleated. I got this in size small, and unfortunately it's slightly too big on me, like every skirt that I buy, so I might get it altered, or I'll just use it more to wear baggy shirts that I can tuck into the skirt so it fits me more, because pleated skirts are very hard to alter. Next thing I got is a dress that I've wanted for a while, but I just never knew if I should buy it or not because it has no reviews, but I finally decided to get it. I am a bit disappointed because I wanted it in gray, but not in this type of gray. It's like a sweatpants gray, the type of gray that you would see from Ardennes, and it kind of looks, well, it looks very cheap at first sight, but I do really still like it. It is like a tie dress. You can wear it several different ways, and it has a hoodie, and then it has this tie that you can either tie in the front or the back, or you can just let it loose. So next I got this matching short sleeves and shorts set. I tried it on and it is so short and revealing that I don't think I would ever step outside of my house wearing this. I would definitely wear this in the house with a hoodie over because it's very tight and short and revealing. So it comes with these shorts. It really looks more like loungewear, which is perfect for quarantine though. Just a little crop top that matches with it. Next thing I got is just this basic top that I actually already purchased in white in my last YesStyle video, and I think I told you guys that I was gonna get another color, and I got it in gray because it just fits so well, guys. I think everyone should just get it. It's just so flattering. Like, the sleeves fit so well on your arm. It doesn't look baggy at all, and the length is just perfect. Okay, it has 5 stars on YesStyle. Like, there's no one that gave it a bad review. That's just how good it is. Short sleeve crop top with lace detailing. It's super cute. The only thing I don't like is how distant the cups are. So the last basic I got is this knit long sleeve top, and it's once again red. It's different from the other one because it has like a v-neck and it is ribbed, and the sleeves are super skinny. It looks a lot like this gray top in terms of shape, but the material is so good. It's much thicker, and it's only $4 more than the gray one. So if you don't like how the gray one looks and you want something better quality, definitely get the red one. It is gorgeous on camera and in real life. Don't forget to use my code KIKOKIKO for some money off, and don't forget to give this video a little heart, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at kelly.vng if you want to see more content. But yeah, I hope you guys were entertained, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!